Hello guys, I hope you're safe and sound. In this video I'm going to answer a question. One of our followers, Jamal Qurbanov, asked the question, what are the differences between bond voyage and have a nice trip? So bond voyage is advanced English and have a nice trip is normal English. So in general they have no differences, they have the same meaning. But bond voyage is a French phrase borrowed into English and translated as have a nice trip, have a good journey, wish you an enjoyable trip or safety journey. It is said to people who are going to somewhere. So, as a matter of fact, there are no differences between bond voyage and have a nice trip. They are synonym. You can use both of them in your speech. So if you have any question, guys, you can hit me up in the comment. I will answer to all of your questions. See you next time. Bye.